In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter track changes by author in Microsoft Word. If you're working on a document that has been edited or reviewed by several people, Word can show changes from multiple authors at the same time. This can make the document difficult to review, especially when you only want to see the edits made by one specific person. Fortunately, Word lets you filter the tracked changes by author. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document that contains the tracked changes you want to review. Next, go to the Review tab at the top of the Word window. This is where you'll find the tools for tracking and reviewing changes. Now, look for the Tracking section and make sure Track Changes is enabled or that your document already contains tracked edits. To filter the changes by author, click the Show Markup drop-down menu in the Tracking section. From the menu, point to the option labeled Specific People. You'll see a list of authors who have made tracked changes in the document. Each author will have a check mark next to their name. If you want to see changes made by only one author, first, clear the check marks from the other authors. Then, select the name of the author whose changes you want to review. For example, if your document has changes from 3 different people, you can turn off the other 2 authors and leave only one selected. Word will then display the tracked changes made by that specific author while hiding the changes from the others. Keep in mind that this does not delete or remove anyone's changes. It only changes which tracked changes are currently displayed in the document. If you want to see changes from all authors again, return to Show Markup, select Specific People, and enable the authors you want to display. You can also use the Show Markup menu to control other types of revisions, such as comments, insertions, deletions, and formatting changes. This filtering option is especially useful when reviewing a document with multiple editors because you can focus on one person's work without being distracted by everyone else's changes. And that's how you can filter track changes by author in Microsoft Word. This simple option can make reviewing collaborative documents much easier and more organized. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,